the point the point which the horizon has to be shifted to eliminate x comma y terms in ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is, see here h not presented, so h equal to 0. Substitute here h is equal to 0, then which becomes vanish, so minus b by z and minus, let us write here minus bz by ab, where we have h there write 0, then comma minus af by ab, so bp cancel and then a to get cancelled, then the equation form is minus g by a comma minus f by b. So the point which the horizon has to be shifted to eliminate x comma y terms in ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is minus g by a comma minus f by b. Next, as a rotation, let us see rotation of axis. Here we shifted the axis to some other point without changing the direction of axis. So rotation, if you did a rotation, what happens? Transformation of axis, rotation of axis. If you rotate the axis theta some other degrees, some other measure, 30 degrees, 15 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, like that. So the axes are rotated to an angle theta about the horizon, that the transformation is called rotation of axis. Let us write rotation of axis. Rotation of axis. The axes are rotated through an angle theta if the axes are rotated through an angle theta about the horizon, about the horizon, then the transformation is called rotation of axis. If the axes are rotated through an angle theta about the horizon, then that rotation is called rotation of axis. Let us see theorem on this. The coordinates x comma y of a point transformed to capital X comma y when the axes are rotated through an angle theta about the horizon, then small x is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta and small y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Right theorem? Theorem number 2, this is, if the coordinates x comma y of a point x comma y of a point are transformed to x comma y, the axes are rotated through an angle theta, the axes are rotated to an angle theta, about the horizon, then small x is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, y sin theta, and small y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Small x is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and small y equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Let us suppose those are the transformed equations. The coordinates are transformed like that. The small x changes into x cos theta minus y sin theta, and small y changes into x sin theta plus y cos theta. See, for this, take the Cartesian plane and coordinate axis and rotate them theta degrees about the horizon. Then what happens? See, suppose, try figure. Now this is horizon 0, 0. Our horizon is like that only here. This is small x dash, this is small x, and the small y dash and y. So one more, the axes are rotated. The axes are rotating like this, the positive direction. Then with making of an angle theta degrees with that. So now x-axis is here, then it should be like this. Now this is x-axis, x dash, x capital X, and y-axis. Now which becomes y-axis. Now y dash, right? Making theta degrees here also, which is making theta degrees. There is no change in the making of an angle with the axis, x-axis and y-axis, which are rotated same angle. How much rotation happened here? Same rotation happens here. So before that, we take a point P here. The coordinates are x, y. Now here, drop the projections. Projections to x-axis, P2 x dash o x. Let us suppose that the projection is L, and same we have to drop a projection from P2. Suppose P is here. P2 x dash o x. Right? Suppose this is M, and here the projection means a perpendicular. I said the angle between the lines equal to angle between the perpendiculars. Note that point. Angle between, I am writing here, since angle between lines equal to angle between lines equal to angle between their perpendiculars. Angle between the perpendiculars. Right? So Here also we have hanging theta. Now see the proof. And draw a project. Now projections of M on PL. PL and suppose this is Q on X dash OX small is N. Projections of P on PL is Q. Projections of M on PL is Q, and projection of M on X dash OX is N. Try to understand this. I dropped here 4 projections from P2 and from N2. From P to the new axis X dash OX capital is the P2 is M and P2 X dash OX is L. These are the projections. At the same time, I dropped 2 projections from M to PL and M to X dash OX. See, let what are the original axis, what are the new axis will present first. X dash OX comma Y dash are original axis. And X dash OX comma Y dash are new axis and angle XOX capital XOX small x equal to theta comma YOY capital ones small ones theta, right? And let point also, let P X comma Y, let P X comma Y through original axis now capital X comma Y through new axis, right? And let projections of P projections of P on X dash OX comma X dash OX are L comma m respectively, right? As well as let projections of m, projections of m on what? PL and x dash ox or AIR Q and N, Q and N respectively, right? See now, this is the information what we did. Construction that we presented in the form of words. See, angle from triangle, two triangles are formed here, OMN and PQM are triangles. Let us suppose that first triangle OMN, from triangle OMN take sin theta at the same time cos theta. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? What is hypotenuse here? Opposite is mn by hypotenuse is ON, right? Which is equal to mn. Here mn equal to the coordinates. Suppose PL is y and then this is x, right? We have to define here what about m and what about the n. So let us suppose that, right? So mn, the value of mn equal to, here totally PL is equal to PQ plus QL, and then here LNMQ is a rectangle. If you know the value of QL, that can be taken as mn. At the same time Ln, that can be taken as QM. So let us suppose that find the values of QL and QM. QL and QM values. Here, otherwise write here, take the cross multiplication, mn equal to, that implies mn equal to OM sin theta. At the same time cos theta from this triangle only. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So ON by ON by OM. So implies OM equal to, here also ON equal to OM cos theta from triangle PQM. Sin theta equal to QM by PM. PM equal to PM, sir, that means QM equal to PM sin theta, right? At the same time, cos theta equal to PQ by PM, implies PQ is equal to PM cos theta, right? Here let us find the values of x and y. X equal to, we need the figure here compulsory. I'm writing here, don't get confused. Small x equal to ON minus ln. ON minus ln. ON minus ln. So we have ON value and ln. So ln equal to this can be written as ON minus ln is equal to QM. Somewhere we have the QM values. X is equal to ON minus QM. Understand? Substitute the values here. That implies x equal to, implies this is also OM. Somewhere we have OM here. See, OM cos theta, OM cos theta, OM cos theta minus, what about QM? PM sin theta, right? See children, here OL is equal to x and already we denoted, this one is y. What that one? PL is equal to y. At the same time, OM equal to capital X. OM is equal to capital X and PM is equal to capital Y. Right? I am denoting here that is, this is capital X and this is capital Y. Don't get confused. Right? So, what about OM? OM equal to capital X, cos theta, PM, capital Y, sin theta. Understand? That is small x. Now small y. Small y equal to PL. Understand? So PL can be written as PQ plus QL. PQ plus QL. Somewhere we have the PQ value already is there, and QL. QL is equal to Mn. Somewhere we have the Mn value. So that implies y equal to PQ plus QL is nothing but Mn. So I'm going to write here. Here I'm writing PQ. What is PQ here? PQ somewhere we have value. What implies y is equal to, what is PQ? PM cos theta. PM cos theta and then Mn. Mn equal to OM sin theta. OM sin theta. So what is PM here? Capital Y. Capital Y cos theta plus what is OM? OM is capital X sin theta. Hence proved. Therefore, what we proved that we write. Therefore, small x equal to, this is small y, small x equal to capital X cos theta minus y sin theta, and small y is equal to capital Y cos theta plus capital X sin theta. Right? To remember this easily, we use and small x and small y also. By solving this two, we can get extension for this. By solving, suppose this is 1, this is 2, 1 and 2, we get small capital X is equal to capital Y is equal to capital X is equal to x cos theta minus plus y sin theta, and capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Sir, how we got this? Solving in next class we can learn, otherwise we'll explain that. No problem, don't worry. That also we can get. To remember, how to remember this very easy. A shortcut, very important thing. Shorthand notation. See, to remember it easy to remember trick. This is write like this, and then write here theta is, and then capital X, capital Y, small x, small y. Write cos theta, diagonally. Cos theta minus sin theta and sin theta, cos theta. Cos theta and sin theta. See, here we need to write 4 formulae using this. First of all, write a table like this, then theta, capital X, capital Y, small x, small y, cos theta minus sin theta. If I want the equation for small x is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta. I got it, see? Small x equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta. X cos theta minus y sin theta. Small y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Small y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. We got it, no? And then if I need capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta, and capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Understand again? Using for this capital X, close y. Capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta, and I need it for capital Y. Capital Y is equal to, close this, minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Understand? So here we learned the two things today. What are they? Transformation of axis, rotation of axis. Transformation of axis, without changing the direction of the axis, they are shifted to some other point. Then the coordinates, how the coordinates, small x and small y. Small x is equal to capital X plus h, and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. And then rotation of the axis, without changing the direction. Now we are going to change the direction of the axis. Through the origin we are rotating. The amount of angle is theta here. Theta can be taken as 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, 45 degrees, like that. That is as your wish. And then what about how the small x and small y, the coordinates, small x and small y is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and small y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. So easy to remember method: theta, small x, small y, capital X, capital Y, cos theta diagonally, and minus sin theta, other diagram. So these are the things to be taken as to remember it very easy, right? Next, let's do the problems on this. Very first problem, the point to which the axis translated so as to remove the first degree terms in equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2ay plus c equal to 0. That means we have to use the formula hf minus bg by ab minus h square, gh minus af by ab minus h square. Very first problem in worksheet number 2. The point to which the axes are translated so as to remove the first degree terms. First degree terms are nothing but x and y terms here. Given equation. Given equation is 2x square plus 3xy minus 2y square minus 7x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. So remember the formula when we have h. When we have h, then hf minus bc by gh minus af by ab minus h square both. Here a equal to 2, comma b equal to minus 2 and 2h equal to 3, then h equal to 3 by 2 and then z equal to 2gx. Already this is minus 7, 2g is equal to 7, g is equal to minus 7 by 2 and 2f equal to 1, f equal to 1 by 2. Understanding? So required point is A equal to hf minus bc by ab minus h square, ab minus h square, gh minus af by ab minus h square. See, substitute the values here. What is h here? 3 by 2, f 1 by 2 minus bc. What is b here? Minus 2. What is g here? Minus 7 by 2. Clear? ab 2 into minus 2 minus h square 3 by 2 whole square, comma. Observe children very clearly. gh minus af. What is g here? Minus 7 by 2. h. What is h here? 3 by 2. Clear? gh minus af. 2 into f. 1 by 2. Right? By, no need to think about it. 2 into minus 2 minus 3 by 2 whole square. Close the brackets. See, 2 cancel and then 2 3 by 4, right? Minus of minus plus minus 7 by minus 4 and 9 by 2. comma minus 21 by 4 and then minus 1 by minus 4 and 9 by 4, close it, right? Equal to 3 minus 28, 3 minus 28 by 8 minus 8 minus 9. So minus 17. Minus 17 means minus 34, comma minus 21 minus 4 minus 25. Minus 25 by 16 minus 9 minus 25. Minus 25. Close it. Minus 25 by minus 34, comma 1. So let us see this one. 8 minus 8 and minus 9. So minus 17. Minus 17 and then 2 equal to 28. Minus 28 minus 25. Right. So minus 28 and 3 minus 28 minus 25 we are getting minus 25 and 23. So the answer is minus 25 by 34. Somewhere we did it wrong, I think. So one we got correct, and then what about that? Minus 7 by h of minus bc. What is b here? What is b here? B is minus 2. G is minus 7 by 2. Got cancelled. It is correct only. See children, again we verify this again. What is A equal to 2, B equal to minus 2, and I will write directly H equal to 3 by 2, G equal to minus 7 by 2, and F equal to 1 by 2, right? H of minus BZ, HF 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, correct? Minus BZ, minus of minus B into Z, Z equal to minus 7 by 2. AB minus H square, AB minus H square, 3 by 2 whole square. Up to that clear. AB minus H square. So next, GH minus AF, GH minus AF by AB minus H square, 3 by 4 minus plus minus 7, clear, by minus 4 minus 9 by 4, not this is 4, and then minus 21 by 4 and then minus 4, minus 4 and 9 by 4, clear. So which becomes minus 25 minus 3 minus 28, correct? And then 16 minus 9 is minus 25. So here also we are getting minus 25. Here also we'll get minus 25. Next step will write. That is correct. And minus 25 this is also, which is equal to 1 comma 1. Right? So to eliminate the x comma y terms in the given equation, the point has to be shifted 1 comma 1. Therefore required point equal to 1 comma 1. Clear? Next one. The new origin, so that the equation may be translated to the form in which the first degree terms be missing. For this, h term is there and g and f are presented, but a, b are not there. So substitute same formula, we can get it. Next, third one. The first degree terms of the equation we remove, shifting a new origin by first degree terms, same formula, hf minus bc by gh minus af. But here h is not there. Minus g by a and minus m by b. Minus g by a. What is g here? 2. So 2g is 2. G is equal to 1. G equal to 1. F is equal to minus 2. G by A and F by B. What is A here? A is 1. So minus 1 comma F by B. B is also 1 here. 2. Minus 1 comma 2. Right? Directly can substitute the formula. Now fourth one. If the origin is shifted to my 2 comma minus 3, the coordinates of the point minus 1 comma 2. We'll do this problem. So I given here 2 and 3 as homework. 2 and 3 has homework. Two and 3 are homework. See, now problem number 4. The origin shifted to, that means h comma k. Given h comma k equal to 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3 and the coordinates of the point. Let us suppose that px comma y equal to, let like here point, what is point here? Minus 1 comma 2. New system. With respect to the new system, small x equal to, the origin is shifted to 2 comma minus 3, the coordinates of the point with respect to the new system are x plus h, y plus k. Small x equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Here small x equal to capital X plus h and small y on, see, capital X equal to x minus h and capital Y is equal to y minus t. Small x equal to small x small y, h comma k, minus 1 minus 2 comma y capital Y equal to capital X equal to implies small y 2 capital plus 3, so capital X is equal to minus 3 and capital Y is equal to 5, minus 3 comma 5. So those are the coordinates of new axis. Now capital X, small x equal to capital X plus h now. Substitute the values of capital X and capital Y now. Capital X plus h, capital X is equal to minus 3, h equal to 2, so minus 1, and capital Y is equal to 3 and k equal to 2. Up to here only, we need up to here, no need to write. Therefore capital X comma capital Y, up to here the solution completed. Listen again. If the horizon shifted to 2 comma minus 3, coordinates of the point minus 1 comma 2 with respect to the new system are coordinates new system, that means capital X and capital Y only in it, so I got the capital X and capital Y, right? That is about fourth one. Let us see next problems.